So here for TrioVest in Saskatoon, in the large executive meeting room, one of the goals that we wanted to accomplish was that people could easily integrate external microphones and have proper sound, whether it's an audio call or a video conference call, from the press of a button. So what we did was we made it where the microphones can be muted from the press of a button on this touch panel, or a user could walk in and just touch the microphone and unmute it. Because this room is going to be a multi-purpose and multi-tenant room, that you mute one microphone, it mutes them all. You unmute one microphone, it unmutes them all. To keep it simple and based on the user experience. These microphones are from Shure. Thank you to Shure for this. These are a fantastic product. We are very pleased. Time is something that we think is very valuable to people. We had another goal at the front of this room with this specific microphone. A user could come into here and do a presentation and not have to get mic'd up with a wireless or handheld microphone so that they could do the presentation for the far side or people in this room. The range is excellent. It allows me to just very quickly get in, get presented, and get working to solve the business challenge that I'm hoping to do, which is why we're in this meeting.